Welcome to Pipefy, the work management platform. In this video, we will present the main benefits Pipefy can bring to your order management process. After working with several leading companies in their segments, we raised the main pains of this process, like decentralization of orders causing them to be lost, missed deadlines, requester without order information often does not know if it was completed or disapproved, difficulty in prioritizing orders, and difficulty in collecting approvals. And with Pipefy, you will have automatically notify all process employees of the timelines or actions to be taken, track the status of your orders and keep the requester informed, customize your order process to meet your business needs, prioritize orders according to value or urgency. This is your organization, where you can find your pipes, which is the name we give to the process inside Pipefy. In the sidebar, you will also find databases where we centralize some information and automations that will eliminate repetitive activities in everyday life. So I will start by opening the pipe order management. As you can see, Pipefy uses the Kanban view that allows you to define the macro steps of your process and see where each request that you've received is right now. Each card in this process represents a order. You can start the process by clicking here and opening the initial form. Here it's all the essential information to do your process. You can also fill out this information by sharing this public link, and someone without access to your organization can fill out this information. I will make an input here. After you fill out all this information, you will click on send. Now your form went to the pipe. When you open a card, as you can see, it is divided into two parts. The left part shows you the information of your start form and the history of the card that is updated as the card goes through the process. On the right side, you will see the tasks and fields that are necessary to the current phase of the process. In this case, you have to define a responsible and check if the data consistency is good or not. So in this case, let's put yes, and you move this card to approval read. As you can see, the approver changed based on the requester area. So it was from commercial, so Chewy was the approver. Here you have to check if the trade policy is okay, if the credit policy is okay, if it has any special requirements. So after you go to availability of promise, here you will check if the product is available, if the priority is high, medium or low, and you can estimate a date of availability. So you can check yes, and you go to the next step of expedition. So here you check out if the order is okay, and you can input an invoice attached here. After you do that, you make an expedition to the client, and then you can check for the delivery control. Here you will input evidence that the delivery was made, and it will ask if the delivery had happened without a problem. If it is yes, everything okay, and you can move the card to the next phase. And if it's not, it will ask you to describe the problem. So finally, you can move the card to complete, and the request is done. So now I will show the reports functionality. In the reports part, you can see that on my left side is the filters that you can apply to your report. So maybe when it was created, today, yesterday, last week, or last month. So if you maybe input like last week, it will appear just a few cards. And on the right side, you can choose what kind of information that you wish to see. Maybe you wish to see an email also, or the contact number, and etc. And you also can export this report to an Excel file so you can analyze with graphics outside Pipefy. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. If you have any questions or wish to see changes to this process, please talk to one of our consultants or contact us via our chat. Thank you very much.